You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very curious word from science. If you want to learn more medical terms that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to listen to. Adenomatous. Adenomatous is usually how it's pronounced. That's the British English pronunciation. In American English, it's often pronounced as adenomatous. Adenomatous. So adeno or adeno, usually adenomatous. Adenomatous. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.